What up, Brittany fam, and welcome back to my YouTube. Welcome back, hey, welcome back, hey. And if this is your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing. I know it's been a while, I've been gone for a few days, and I appreciate you guys' patience in dealing with me. I've had a few things change in my personal life, so I won't be doing daily uploads as of now. I'm going to move it to maybe every other day. So look for at least 3 to 4 uploads per week from this channel. And stay tuned to this channel because I have so much more good things coming your way. So you guys know that I've been trying out subscription boxes, and today I bring to you a new one. Now this one's a little late because November's over, but I just did get it, so I'm going to unbox today. And this time it's Boxycharm. Boxycharm. I'm so excited for Boxycharm. I've seen so many good reviews on this one, and after doing my research, I think that I probably will be keeping this particular subscription. So this one is $21 a month, and they give you full-size products. I've seen some sneak peeks of what's in this box, but I'm excited to see what I actually got. So without further ado, let's open this box. Oh wow, and so already I can see that the packaging on this guy is a little better. They actually have, what do you call this stuff? It's like this foam, but it's used to package the items and keep them safe during delivery. I already like that. Then they have this Boxycharm brochure, and right off the bat I see GOAL Gold Digger. This is the Gold Digger box, and it tells me everything that I got in the box. So excited about what I got. Right off I see that I got these Lashaholic luxury lashes. I like the packaging, it's so cute. It's a sturdy box, it's gold, it says Instaglam here, and so when we open them up, this is what we see. Got some beautiful lashes that I'd love to try. It says ready, set, get addicted. I love lashes. Lashes are probably my favorite makeup product after lippies. Elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers give your lashes dimension, natural looking length and volume. Next up, we've got Glittering Star Eyeliner. This is by, I don't know if this is Jaunt Blue or Jante Blue. It says long lasting, intense black color, update your eyes. Sparkle up your glam with Jante Blue's Glittering Star Eyeliner. This specially formulated black glitter eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly, leaving behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. So if I'm understanding this right, this eyeliner has glitter in it. It's a black glitter eyeliner. That's different. I've never tried anything like that, so I'm here for it. I'll be digging into that. Next up, it looks like we have some Luxie Premium Synthetic Handcrafted Brushes. So these would be eye brushes. This is a cruelty-free company called Luxie. I don't know if you can see this. Luxie. Packaging is cute. This entire box is centered around the color gold. It's called the Gold Digger box, but everything has some type of gold either in the product or in the packaging. These are different from any of the eye brushes that I have because I've got, looks like an angled small detail brush. Then it looks like you've got a regular small detail brush. Then it looks like you've got an angled blender and then just a regular blender. And then they've got these beautiful gold glittery handles that say Luxie. So these are really cute. Let's add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. The Luxie Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. There's a Luxie 141 mini round brush, which is perfect for smudging or smoking out your lower lash. And then there's a Luxie 121 Mini Tapered that lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. And there's a Luxie 111 Mini Flat Angled Brush, lets you blend out harsh lines or pack on cream products to your lid. And the Luxie 131 Mini Angled can add a pop of color to your brow bone or precisely place color onto your crease. Then next, I think everybody's seen this one. Kim Kardashian actually opened up her Boxycharm box on social media, and this was one of the products in there, and I think this is probably one of the ones I'm most excited about. So Boxycharm has a few products that everyone that's subscribed will get in the monthly subscription, but then they switch it up. They switch a few of the products up, so not everybody gets exactly the same box. I believe everyone got this product here, and this is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. I'm really excited about these because I've been seeing different makeup artists try this all over social media, and of course I don't have any, but now I do. Ooh. The Cover FX Glitter Drops, they're called Nova. These ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. So the way I've seen it is a lot of people, they either mix this in with their foundation, or once their foundation is on, they'll go over it and kind of just squirt it on the face and then rub it in. As for me, I think I'll probably put this directly on my skin before I go in with my foundation so that it gives me a subtle glow, because I don't want it to be very obvious that I have glitter drops all over my face. So I'm really excited to try this one. Lastly, which I think is probably the second most exciting product in this box for me, is this Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, and it's a beautiful black and gold. Now I heard that Boxycharm includes an eyeshadow palette in every single box, so if you're into trying different eyeshadow palettes by different brands, then Boxycharm might be a subscription box that you want to try. Oh, here's the palette. And guys, look at these colors. Aren't they pretty? They're so pretty, especially for fall, and I'm really excited about Poppy, which is like this beautiful burgundy cranberry-ish type color. And there's a beautiful pink that's called Rose, a beautiful gold that's called Primrose, a beautiful copper, which is probably my favorite in the palette, is called Myrtle. There's a gorgeous color called Cinnamon. Then there's some nice highlight colors. There's this coral type color called Clove. This is a gorgeous palette. I'm really excited to try this one. This palette features 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Your new Grandois palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. It has the prices for these items. So the glitter drops are $44. The palette, $25. The brush set, $21. The eyeliner, $5. And the lashes, $15. This adds up to nearly $100, and you get all of this for $21. It's a no-brainer, guys. If you're into trying new makeup products but you can't really afford the price to always have new things, keeping a rotation of new products in a monthly subscription box for $21, pretty good deal. So that's everything that they included in the box for the month of November. So we're here in December, and I should get my December box, I guess, somewhere by the end of the month. So I'm excited to see what they'll include for December because I really like this November box, and I actually would recommend Boxycharm if you're into subscription boxes. So if you have a subscription addiction, this box gets a thumbs up from me. Boxycharm. Boxycharm. I actually like to do something new, which is doing a shout out to my Brittany fam out there. And this is just to show my appreciation for you guys for showing your support to my YouTube channel. And this week's shout out is going to be Shirley Smith. She said, beautiful makeup look. And this was commented on my unboxing Sephora Play video. So thank you for your support, Shirley Smith. As you might be able to tell, I did get a new camera. I just had to take advantage of those Black Friday sales, guys. They only come around once a year, and they're the biggest sales of the year. I'm shooting this with my new camera, and I'm going to be doing a review of this camera, so stay tuned for that. If you're in the market for an inexpensive vlogging camera, that video may help you. So that's all I have for this video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave your comments below. I have a new upload. Go and check that out. And check out all of my other videos as well, as I've got a lot of videos on my channel for you to see. And while you're at it, click on it, hit that like button, and hit the subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Don't mind my edges, cause my edges ain't minding you. I fight for my edges.